We're here at the Public Safety Training Academy with the Prince William County Fire Cadets. Today we're cutting cars, learning a little bit of vehicle extrication and playing with hydraulic tools like the jaws of life, the cutters and stuff, which is pretty cool.
The cadet program is a one-year firefighter program for Prince William County high school students. It presents them with the opportunity to become familiar in the field of the fire and emergency service, and they also have the opportunity to become certified as a firefighter if they meet all of the educational requirements.
Learn a lot, whether it be from fire hoses or how to search a room or how to talk on the phone to people. Some highlights would definitely be going into a burning building. That's pretty cool, putting out a fire, tearing some ceilings down.
It's a fun program. I get to come out here every other day. I get to exercise a little bit, learn something new. Probably my favorite part is cutting the cars and doing the fun stuff, putting the mask on, going inside the burn building. The highlight of my entire high school career right now is this class.
So you come in every other day, a bus will pick you up after your first period, and you come here. We're either in the classroom doing lectures or we're out here doing practicals. Usually it's a mix of both.
If you're interested in becoming a firefighter, this is definitely a great program. You meet a lot of people that you might meet out in the field, get your name out there, and kind of helps you get your foot in the door.
This class is great. I couldn't recommend it enough, especially if you wanted to go into the fire service afterwards.
If you're interested in more information about the high school fire cadet program, you can check out our website and also find us on Twitter. We have photos and videos of the activities we do in class.